Hey, what's up everybody? This is Carlo at 4GQ TV here, and we are prepping for a major hurricane. It's supposed to come sometime, I guess, later through the evening or overnight. I don't know when all the winds are gonna hit, anything like that, but as somebody who loves gaming and as a pop culture enthusiast, there's things I like to stock up on. First thing is basically the most important thing: water. Gotta have water to get through the hurricane. We are expecting power outages probably for a while, and water is a necessity. All right, next up, as you all know, power and backup batteries are very important for gaming, watching TV, multimedia, reading comics on your phone to keep your phone charged. So I got tons of different types of power banks, and then I have this beast here, which is pretty good. It also makes my Canon R5C power through power delivery, so I don't even need to make sure the batteries are charged in this thing. So that was important. But now let's get down to the nitty gritty, because playing games and keeping yourself occupied is something that is obviously important as a gamer and somebody who likes to watch TV. So first thing is I have low power handheld retro devices. Okay, this is an older Retroid that I have. I haven't used this one in a while, but I really do like this one a lot. It's comfortable. It's got like these back buttons and everything, and it looks like a, like an old Game Boy or something. Next, obviously something that we have to have if you want to be able to play some PC games and there's no power would be something like a Steam Deck, right? Maybe like ROG Ally or Legion Go. Those are important too. Also, tons of USB C and USB A to USB C cables. I mean, when I say tons, I got a lot of them. Now for audio, I do have the Samsung Galaxy Buds. You probably can't see it well with the light, but there it is. Also got these Skull Candy ones. They work pretty well. These wireless ones I got really cheap, the Prime Day, for like 13 bucks. So they actually came through before the storm, so I was very lucky. Flashlights are important, obviously. You want to have some in your household. But I also got tons of these kind of like little LED lights, basically for my camera, but I can use them almost for anything. And I got like several tripod stands, so I could put a cold shoe mount on them and put them on there. Now to record different footage, whether it's conventions, whether it's gaming, top down, whatever, I have the Insta X3 360, so it's really cool. I got the DJI Action Cam 4. I'm actually going to use this outside during the hurricane if it's safe for me to walk out my front door. Also, I do have a portable TV. It's a cheap one, but it stores power in it, so if the power goes out, I could use it. It's not the greatest quality. It's an E-Matic. It's cheap plastic, cheaply made, but you can see it's a little dusty. I just pulled it out of the closet, so I need to clean it. But yeah, this is a little TV here that I could use to watch stuff, put stuff on USB sticks. It's got a USB thing right there. I'm curious. I wonder if I hook a USB drive. And then I got some more stuff here that I'll show you in a moment. I got a GameSir handheld pad for my phone in case I want to play like xCloud or something. A very old Nintendo 3DS that I haven't played in forever. Got that ready for the storm. What if you want to watch like DVDs or something and you're able to power them on something, right? With the portable TV. I have this Rick and Morty. Let's see, can you see it well? Gotta get a better light to this. But Rick and Morty, the box set, thanks to Warner Brothers, they sent this over. SpongeBob, the first 100 episodes. Dexter's Laboratory collection. And then of course, I got the Switch, right? I mean, that's definitely good backup. Play some Zelda there. And then controllers. Thanks to a very good friend, I have a Elite controller, Xbox, and then I also got this this Nintendo PDP Mario skinned edition controller. It's alright. It does what it's supposed to, right? So that's all that matters. Hurricane prepared kit as a gamer and as a pop culture enthusiast. And don't forget, there's also digital comics and then physical comics. Those are something to do as well in the storm. Keep yourself occupied. And if you got some tabletop board games to play with family or friends to sit this out, I mean, I always recommend that as well. Tons of great board game options out there. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you're prepped for the hurricane if you're in the way. As you can see, I'm clearing out my game room right now to pull everything out of the closet, see what other kind of fun electronics I got in there. But stay safe, everybody, and hope for the best.